Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Wigwe Chibozo. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make at least $2 daily doing microtask online. I have various platforms which I'm going to show you in the course of this tutorial. Requirement for this task: a smartphone. You need a smartphone, an internet connection, and little of your time. You have to invest little of your time. So I have various platforms which I'm going to show you how you are going to make money online. So the first platform I'm going to review in this video is called sproutgigs.com. So let's go to sproutgigs.com and see. .com is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. So in this platform you have two ways of making money. Either you are a business owner or a freelancer. So as a freelancer, you have two ways of making money. As a freelancer, two ways of making money: either you post your gigs or you do micro task. So we have various gigs here. We have digital marketing, we have digital writing, graphic design, presentation video, and so many gigs here. Okay, so if you don't have account on this platform, all you need to do is press get started. When you press get started, you open this place, you get to sign up, you put your real name, your email, password, confirm your password, nickname, choose your country, and you select one of these. Anyone, you can see switch them later, so you just click sign up. I've already created an account for this tutorial, so let's just log into my account which I've created for this tutorial. Okay, let's just log into this account and get started. So this is the platform right now. Okay, on this place, these gigs that people have posted. Okay, these several gigs, but I'm not going to talk about gigs in this video right now. So let's jump into micro task. Click here, you see various micro jobs. So you see micro jobs, just click micro jobs, find jobs. You click here, find in this micro jobs. I have finished task on this account. I have 48 finished tasks, certified plus paid 0. Okay, we have find, see several jobs that you can perform here. This um new offer, complete an offer plus subscribe, you will earn $1 for this. You earn $1, you earn $1, you earn. So you can do as many as possible. You can do as many as possible on this platform. But in see, come and select each category that you want to select. Like I like this type of job, video categories. So all you need to do here is just click here and you watch the video. When you watch the video, you get paid. Just click here, you follow the instruction, see what the instruction said, what is expected from the worker. Visit my YouTube channel. This is the link to the YouTube channel, and watch the video. Ensure you watch, because I'm going to know if you do not watch the video. Requirement that the task was finished at grace end, which is the most. These are what is going to be shown on this video. So you just stated what is profitable, all these things, you set them in this place and you just submit it. That's how you're going to do this task. Okay, in our next video I'm going to show you how you're going to do the SEO task, which is this the in this platform. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do this task in our next video. So let's see you in our next video. Thank you for listening.